Hello, my name's Chris Holland and I'd like to talk to you briefly about the storytelling workshop that I'm going to be doing at the Forest School Association conference in the autumn of 2023. It's a storytelling workshop about building connection between people and place and plants, the past and the future, and this wonderful world that we live on. We'll be playing some simple games. I'll be doing an activity where we build a character and we tell a story together, and then we'll be going a bit more deeply and using an environmental art activity to share some stories about ourselves and our own journeys to becoming forest school leaders. And we'll finish off with some other activities that help you build confidence and develop your own character as a storyteller, your own sort of way of storytelling, and yeah, simple tips and tricks that you can use in the future. So there you go, that's what the workshop is going to be about, and I look forward to seeing you there. Right, bye.